Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI P40, and today I will show you how you can customize Always On Display. So at the first you have to open your smartphone and go for the settings. Then find home screen and the wallpaper and go for the Always On Display. At the first we can change the display style. So when you tap here, as you can see, here we got the couple of the options. I'm going to apply probably this one. We can also show date and the time right here. We can also enable or disable, and the same for the notifications and the battery. I think that I'm going to leave notifications and the battery and hide date and the time. Click apply. As you can see, we got also other things, so if you want to apply, just go for it, but I'm going to leave it like that. Then just go back, and here we can also set the schedule time for the Always On Display. Tap to show, so when we tap on the screen, then the Always On Display will be on the screen, but I'm going to get it on the all day. And right now just go back, lock screen, and take a look. That's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.